Good morning, Mary here from Rocky Mountain Gardens. And today we're going to move on to a gardening topic. We're going to be talking about a plant called Monarda. That's the botanical name. The common name is Bee Balm. You may have heard of it. It's a fantastic plant because it attracts hummingbirds like crazy, but also, the pollinators like bumblebees, honeybees, mason bees, all really love the nectar from Bee Balm. So I'm going to be taking an area, and I'll show you in the next video section. I'm going to be taking an area that I had planted Monarda in last year. And what happened was my neighbor's tree across the fence has gotten so big that it is completely shading that area, much more than I thought it would. And so I'm going to be transplanting some Monarda from that area to a new bed that gets full day sun, which Monarda likes. And then I'm going to be adding some additional plants. So that's what we're going to be doing this morning. And let's go outside and take a look and see how this process works. So guys, here I am at a small flower bed that is on the back side of my porch swing. And as you can see here, nothing is growing. I attempted last summer to plant some Bee Balm, and you can see a few of the plants have come back, but last summer it was a real bust. The Bee Balm did not thrive, and it was really quite sad. I am going to remove this drip line that I had installed because Bee Balm does like an awful lot of water. And I have 4 plants that survived the winter, and I have a new place I'm going to try to plant them. So in this small area here, which is right next to my raised bed, I have some drip line already in here because I planted zinnia seeds, and my plan is to dig up this Russian sage and move it to another area and fill this area this year with the Bee Balm that I'm going to transplant, and I've also ordered some more plants to add to that. So I'm going to be having, there's an autumn joy sedum over there in the corner and some sedums growing here. So I will be preparing this bed and doing some transplanting, and I'll show that to you in just a second. I just wanted to show you quickly that I added some composted dairy manure to this new bed already, and I've dug it in. And then for each of my flower holes that I'll be digging, I'm going to be adding this organic flower tone made by Espoma to for each plant as some extra fertilizer to encourage a lot of blooms. See, it even says blossom booster. And then slowly we'll come around over here to show you my new bed again. And I have placed I have 7 Monarda plants altogether, 3 new ones in the pots and 4 that I dug up from my old bed and moved over here, and I have them sort of spaced out. So we will now get started planting. Hi, I'm back again, and I just wanted to give you a bit more information about Bee Balm. First of all, it is a zone 3 plant, which means it will do quite well in the mountains. It blooms like crazy, but not until around July. It's a later summer bloomer, and it is it is in the mint family, let's say that. And so when you touch the leaves and so on, it has a very minty type of fragrance, which of course is always enjoyable. And, you know, it's just a plant that you'll love with its very unusual flowers. I think you'll have a really great time enjoying this plant in your garden. So until my next video, I'll see you again soon. So long.